Well, good hump day to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Wednesday. But I'm here to tell you in East Central Mississippi, looks like it wants to rain. Before we get started on this video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, we want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is we're going to do a little summer garden update. Not much to look at, but I'm just going to show you what I still have growing on over here. Give me a second, and that's what we finna do. Well, look at there. We got plenty of weeds growing over there, I'm here to tell you. With all of the rain and oppressive heat we have been getting, tomatoes are just about done. Skylar and I actually got out here yesterday and started trimming down the tomato plants, and I guess we're gonna start getting ready for the fall garden. Started pulling all of the cages, cut back a bunch of tomatoes, and we actually trimmed up pretty much all of these tomatoes, and we harvested all of the green tomatoes that we possibly could. We left a bunch of these tomato plants still standing because they still have a bunch of tomatoes on them. So hopefully we're just going to catch, let the green ones get a little bit bigger, because we have been pickling a lot of green tomatoes. So it's not a total loss, but I'm here to tell you, the last couple of years here in East Central Mississippi, the growing conditions for our garden have just been awful. It's either a lot of rain, and a few weeks back we had 34 days of rain, I think, and we picked up 17 to 19 inches of rain throughout that 30-day period. So we got a lot of rain, and along with the rain we get a lot of heat. It's probably in the high 90s, probably touching 100 degrees right now, and it is humid as all get out. So a lot of things suffered. The peppers are pretty much done. We harvested a bunch of peppers. We're letting the earth bed just grow up. Probably towards the end of August into September, we're going to start working in this garden again. We're going to weed it out. We're going to work the soil. And I am thinking that we are going to use the ground cover that was sent to us. I think we're going to use that in the earth bed for the fall garden. But while we're here, I'll tell you that the 10-gallon grow bags that we used, I have to give those a big thumbs up. Really happy with how these grow bags produced. Let me show you the other grow bags that we have going. And we have a bunch of grow bags still growing. I have a lot of peppers that are still growing despite the heat. We still actually have tomatoes growing in these grow bags that are doing quite well. Here's one right here. We got a nice tomato set on that. Probably need to give some water to this guy, but the Trinidad Scorpions and the Ghost peppers are looking real good. They're growing. So that's about all that we still have growing in the summer garden over here. It's just been a struggle dealing with it this year, but that's okay. Hopefully the fall garden will be much better. We'll have a lot lower temperatures, and I guess we'll get prepared this year for the fall garden, because I know there's a bunch of things that we want to plant. Really looking forward to using the landscape fabric on top of the earth bed, mainly to block out all of the weeds. And well, actually it's gonna block out all of the weeds. Gonna be the first time using it, so we'll adjust fire on that. One thing that semi worked out for us was the purple hull peas. We still have quite a few purple hull peas out there. The grass has just went plumb wild. I bet you there was grass about this tall out there. Bush hog, a bunch of it, and we have some bud beans out there. Do you want to go look at that and see? We'll go look at that, and we'll go look and see. Don't be frightened by all the grass. It scared me so many times, I'm like not scared of it anymore. All right, we out here in the purple hull pea patch slash bud bean patch, and it is grassy. I'm here to tell you. We sure enough gonna do this different next season. This was a learning experience, especially using the new Covington TP46 planter, seed planter. But that's okay. Yeah, we learning. But we do have some bud beans coming on. But I know what I did wrong, and we'll just adjust fire on it next season. So, live and you learn. I tell you what, you just don't never quit learning when you're a gardener. I'm here to tell you. Well, there you have it. Just a little quick video on what we still have growing over here at the Home of the Sticks in East Central Mississippi. Not a whole lot. Actually, I'm growing weeds better than I'm growing anything, but it is what it is. We again, we are just going to change a bunch of things up next growing season. We're looking forward to getting the fall garden started. And of course, you know, we're going to bring y'all along for that, showing up. Before I end this video, I'm also going to add in a clip of, had a lot of folks asking about how the fermented peppers were doing. Show you what those are doing right now. Here's a look at those fermented peppers. We're going to give it a couple of more days and we're probably going to taste this. I still see some bubbles popping up every now and then or going to the top of this jar. But they're looking pretty good. Gonna be some fine eating, hopefully. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Wednesday, and I hope everybody's being safe amid this crisis still going on. If y'all like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home of the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Skylar and Dan a look, because we always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Redford showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine.
And I mean nobody.
That's right, you get your shine on. Be you. And Dan and Skylar will see you and y'all in the next video.